Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from M1 Finance. First, ensure your M1 account is properly linked to an external bank account. This connection is crucial for seamless fund transfers. We'll cover the steps to initiate a withdrawal, whether it's a partial amount or a full liquidation. Understanding the process helps you manage your investments effectively and access your money when needed. Let's get started. To begin, open your M1 Finance app or log in online. Locate the Transfer tab, usually found at the bottom or in the main menu. From there, select the Withdraw option. You'll then choose which M1 account, like your Invest or Spend account, you wish to withdraw from. Carefully input the exact amount you want to transfer to your linked bank account and confirm the details. It's a straightforward process. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. On another note, managing your finances can be like meal prepping. It requires organization. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your meals fresh and organized throughout the week. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When withdrawing, remember that funds typically take 2 to 3 business days to process and appear in your external bank account. For investment accounts, consider any potential tax implications, especially if you're selling assets. It's wise to consult a tax professional for personalized advice. Also, if you're closing an account, ensure all trades have fully settled before initiating the final transfer to avoid delays. Planning ahead makes the process smoother.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.